What is the future? Will quantum computing help scientists model and solve problems? Will AI make life more comfortable and convenient? Will AI medicine cure all diseases and lead to healthier, longer lives? We are exploring this together with you. We are willing to collaborate with top scientists and business worldwide to combine AI medicine, customized formulations, and e-commerce for the benefit of all humanity. Japan Kumi Group Limited is a dietary supplement manufacturer located in Hong Kong, China. Our products sell globally, and we collaborate with people from different regions, ethnicities, religions, and skin colors to develop and absorb the pharmaceutical needs of different populations. Using AI medicine models to create pharmaceutical formulations tailored to the needs of different groups and regions. By customizing formulations using AI medicine models, leveraging China's extremely low-cost control advantages, and utilizing the globally developed e-commerce network, we can provide high-quality dietary fiber supplements globally. Our young and energetic team understands the pharmaceutical needs of young people worldwide, and the customized and small-order demands of e-commerce businesses. Please contact our vibrant team and join this great cause of technological health. Currently, we offer 8 product lines: anti-aging, maca, skin whitening, weight loss, sleep, sport nutrition, multivitamins, and customized functions, such as ingredients. And 5 own brands: Shicum, Kumi, LHE, Schross, and Swihanran. Small orders can be customized with your trademark and business model.